Today, we're going to talk about blackjack. Blackjack is a very interesting game if played correctly. But what do you mean when played correctly? Blackjack has a thing called basic strategy, which really gives you the best optimal chance to win depending on what the dealer's up card is. Well, today we're going to talk about the hard totals. Well, hard totals are cards that add up to a number that can't be changed. So this right here equals 7. However, so does this. 7, 7, and this is a soft 7 or 17. What makes hard or soft is the ace. The ace can be either 1 or 11. So today we're going to worry about the basic strategy for all hard totals. So these next rules apply if your card is less than 8. So 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8. If your hard total is less than 8, you're going to hit regardless of whatever the dealer shows. Our goal is to get as close to 17 as possible without going over 21. The law of numbers saying we have the best average chance of winning as closer we are to 17.5. So our goal is to get to a minimum of 17. The next hard total that we're going to talk about is 9. If we have a 9 and the dealer's showing a 2, we're going to hit. If the dealer is showing 3, 4, 5, or 6, we're going to double. When we double, we're going to take our original bet. We're going to put the same amount right next to it. We're going to go like 1 or ask the dealer for 1 card. Again, that is very important for us. If the dealer is showing 7, 8, 9, 10, any face or ace, it's simply just a hit. The reason that we double here is because we know that the dealer has to pull to at least 17. So if the dealer is showing 3, 4, 5, 6, we know there's no really chance of them having a true hard 17. So they're going to have to pull another card. Our goal is to create as much money as possible and win the hands appropriately as fast as we can. Doubling in this situation gives us the best chance to double all of our money because we know that the dealer has a greater chance of busting when they show 3 through 6. If our hard total is 10, we're going to double everything that the dealer shows that is 2 through 9. Again, we're going to give ourselves the best chance to get over 17 and close to 21 as possible. We know that regardless of whatever we double, there's no chance of us busting. However, if the dealer has 10, any face or an ace, we're simply going to hit. Doubling in this situation causes more chance for us to hit a card under 10, and we're expecting the dealer to already have 20. So in this situation, it's only best to double 2 through 9 and hit 10 and above. Now this differs from 11. When we have an 11, we're going to double regardless of what the dealer has because we know that there's no chance of us busting. And if we pull any face, we're sitting at 21 and we have a great chance of winning. If we pull an ace, we have a 12, but we took that away from the dealer, so it gives us a better chance of him busting over. And any other card, we like the thought of us pulling that face and getting close to 21. Now 12 is where things get a little funky. If the dealer has 2 or 3, we're going to hit. If the dealer shows 4, 5, or 6, we're going to stand. If he shows 7 or above, we're going to hit. 2 and 3 are very weird against the 12 because we both have the same amount of chance approximately to bust. But we know 4, 5, and 6, there's a greater chance of them busting. So we're going to take the hit and pray that we get the low card and the dealer still pulls and busts. If your cards are 13, 14, 15, or 16, basic strategy suggests that you do the following. If the dealer's card is 2 through 6, you're going to stand. If it is 7 or above, you're going to hit. The reason that we stand on 2 through 6 is because we know that the dealer does not have 17 quite yet, and we're going to hope and stay and pray that they're going to pull a face and bust over with 22 to 26. The final suggestion is 17, 18, 19, or 20. Regardless of what the dealer shows, you're going to stand. We remember that the law of numbers tells us we have the best chance of getting as close to 17.5 as possible. Well, if we have 17, 18, 19, or 20, we pretty much put ourselves in the best situation to win that hand, and we're just going to stay and pray and hope that the dealer busts or they will push with 17, and we move on from there.